The British arrest warrant was issued on Sunday for Israeli opposition leader Tzipi Livni after an application by a group of lawyers.
It's under really quite old legislation. It's under the Fourth Geneva Convention of 1949, which protects civilians in occupied territories, and it's part of English law through an English Act of Parliament from 1957.
Britain's Foreign Office says it's investigating. In a statement, it says the UK is determined to do all it can to promote peace in the Middle East and to be a strategic partner of Israel. To do this, Israel's leaders need to be able to come to the UK for talks with the British government. We are looking urgently at the implications of this case. Indeed, lawyers can make another application for the arrest warrant if Livni comes to Britain.
This is making it increasingly difficult for senior Israelis to travel. And actually, since the General Almog case, newspapers like Haaretz and the Jerusalem Post have reported cases where senior Israeli officers and politicians were advised strongly not to come to countries like Britain because they faced prosecution.
It's not the first time an arrest warrant has been sought for an Israeli leader. Earlier this year, Palestinian groups tried to get a warrant for Ehud Barak on allegations of war crimes. The Israeli Defence Minister ordered the country's offensive on Gaza. In court, the British government successfully argued Barak was on a diplomatic visit and had immunity.
Our application for a warrant was declined. We're very disappointed with the result. We believe in our application, which was based properly on evidence of very serious war crimes. It was very important that the district judge stated in the application that the only issue in this case was the immunity. It is my strong belief that if the immunity wasn't an issue here, we'd have an arrest warrant for war crimes.
In the Livni case, however, the application was successful, opening up the very real prospect of a travel ban for Israeli ministers visiting the UK. Patterson, Al Jazeera.